Hey there, fellow gardeners. Today I'm going to show you how to plant garlic like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these steps will have you growing the best garlic in no time. So let's dive in. First off, you need to choose the right garlic bulbs. Head to a reputable garden supplier and pick out some high-quality fresh bulbs. Make sure they're firm and free of any soft spots or mold. Trust me, starting with good bulbs makes all the difference. Next, it's time to prepare your tools and area. Grab a small trowel or garden fork, some compost or well-rotted manure, and a layer of mulch like straw or shredded leaves. Find a sunny spot with well-draining soil, clear away any weeds, and loosen up the soil by turning it over. This is where your garlic will thrive. Now, let's get those cloves ready. Gently break apart each bulb into individual cloves, keeping the papery skins intact. Set aside the largest, healthiest cloves for planting. They're the ones that will give you the best results. Before planting, you'll want to amend the soil. Mix in some organic matter like compost to improve fertility and drainage. Rake the soil smooth so it's ready for those cloves. When it's time to plant, dig small holes or a shallow trench about 2 inches deep. Space each hole roughly 4 to 6 inches apart and keep rows about a foot apart. This spacing gives the garlic room to grow. Place each clove into a hole with the pointed end facing upward. Gently cover the clove with soil, ensuring it's snug but not too compacted. This helps the garlic establish itself without being smothered. Right after planting, water the area thoroughly to help settle the soil around the cloves. Keep the moisture level consistent but moderate as the garlic starts to develop roots. To finish up, apply a layer of mulch over the planting area. This helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds. Keep an eye on your garden, watering when necessary, and removing any weeds that pop up. As your garlic grows, monitor its progress and adjust your watering routine if the weather changes. When the lower leaves start to brown, usually in mid to late summer, it's time to harvest. Gently lift the bulbs and allow them to cure before storing. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to a bountiful garlic harvest. Happy gardening, everyone! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.